Okay.
Baba!
Okay, score natin 2-0. Joe for 3. Wala. Okay, out of bounds.
Sit. Side.
Adrio. Left pasa. Jordan for 3.
Nakasumay.
Zion. Same ball. Okay, 8 minutes, 17 seconds. Rob in the middle. And 1.
Stop time.
Okay, 2 points for Rob. Okay, bonus free throw.
Babarak.
Rebound by Johar, pass to Vince. Okay. Last touch, Black. Hindi nasalo ni Kuya Jun. Okay, here comes Rob for Tornado Corner team. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Jonan for 3 points. Wala. Sayang, diretso ang bola. Okay, 14 seconds shot clock. Okay. 3 points, RJ. Score natin 7-0. Here comes si Kuya Jun, nasa gitna. Naipit kay Adrio at kay Rob Ramos. Adrio all the way. Oy, sayang. Natapik ng block. Ito na ngayon ng block. Pin score general ng black team. Wala. Napaganda pa. Napunta kay Rael. 2 points by Castrillo. Score natin 7-2, 6 minutes, 57 seconds. Okay, 14 second shot clock. Okay, there's a foul. Is it 2 shot rep?
Stop.
Wala.
Ano?
Side lang? Okay.
2 shots. Stop.
2 shots.
Under 8.5
Okay, first attempt. Good.
Under 8.5 o lalaban mo yung kapinatin dyan sa over 8? Bitin na, bis natin. Salute tayo papasok.
Okay, scored 9-2 in favor of Potato Corner. Napakalakas ng start nila ngayon. Okay, pasa sa ilalim kay Kuya Jun. Again, walang tawag.
Bigay!
Pasensya na, isa pa lang ang referee natin. 91, foul.
Kyrie Irving, did you bring your jersey? Show mo daw kay dito yung
21, foul.
Score pa 8.
8-2.
Score natin 9-2.
9-2.
Wala. Nakuha ni Adrio ang bola. Yep, traveling.
Kaganina, pre.
Ayan, 9-2.
Score natin 10-2.
10-2, pre.
10-2 na.
14-second shot clock. Adrio, sayang. Nakuha ni RJ ang bola. Here comes white team, Jonan. Wala, napalakas. Nakuha niya ulit. Pass to Adrio. Adrio fake. Wala. Rebound. Oh, nice steal ng bola. 5 minutes, 36 seconds. Jar. Out. Okay, 31 seconds to sub out.
Next dead ball, boy.
Sub tayo next dead ball rep.
Nice pass.
Ganda naman ng pasa nun. Okay, 12-2. Jar. Tumagari sa gitna. Nakita si Richard. Saan? Ang attempt ni 2 points by Patrick. Wala. Nakuha niya ulit. Okay, 4 minutes 47. Sub tayo pag na-shoot yan. Okay,
Stop,
sub
Chase.
rep. Sub. Next 5. Papasok na si Tito Gilbert. Okay, binigay na yung bola. Pasok. Second shot clock. Here comes Mr. Tanley. Okay, there's a foul. Pinasa na kay Johnny. Number 4, foul. Julius. Okay, 4 minutes, 22 seconds. RJ sa gitna. Wala. Galing ng rebound. Rebound by Gilbert. Solisa. Sa gitna. Pasa kay Busbus. Jason got the ball. RJ. Nag-iisa sa kabila.
14-4.
Okay, score natin 14-4. Noel to Jason. Jason in the middle. Tinira ang bola. Julius got the rebound. Di nakita. I gave Faith Overview a warning for penalty. Kuya Jun. Yun, galing. 14-6, 2 minutes 57 seconds.
Hindi pwede.
Si RJ.
Next 5.
May dumating na?
Hindi, kuya. Bawal ba naman pag ano? Kasi nagka-continue siya.
Continue siya.
June sa ilalim. To Solisa. 40-second shot clock. Okay. 2 minutes, 26 seconds. Okay, June, 2 points. 14-8.
Tignan mo agad ako eh. Taas mo lang kami. Hindi siya pag dalawa.
3 points by Jason. 17-8. Julius tumira ng 3 pero na-rebound niya rin. 14-second shot clock. Solisa for 3. Wala, na-rebound ni Noel. Pass to RJ. Okay, 3 versus 2. Tandy got the points.
19-8.
1 minute 29. Julius, sa gitna.
Stop time.
Okay. White 1. Okay, that's the first team foul of Potato Corner.
Stop time pag free throw.
Okay, 19.
Pag
nine.
fourth quarter, buong quarter, stop time.
1 minute 20 seconds. Here comes Vince. Oh, ganda ng pasa. So Julius back to Vince. For 2. Tapos. Nakakuha ni Kuya Jun. Wala pa rin. Here comes Black. 56 seconds. Jun sa middle. 50 seconds. Si Tandy. Nag-iisa sa ilalim. 21, 9. 40 seconds na lang. Okay, push for 2. Yes.
Ilis, tama na.
29 seconds. 21-11.
Shot clock po ya.
po.
Shot clock. Wala kang
Shot clock, 12 seconds. Here comes 10. Duel. Got the ball. 7. Okay, 9 seconds. Score now at 23-11 in favor of Potato Corner. Again, let's review the foul. Si Noel ng Potato Corner may isa ng foul sa fade over fear. Julius, 1 foul. Rael, 2 fouls. And Vince, okay, 1 foul. Okay, second quarter.
They galing sa fade, galing sa block. So white na.
Yeah, white. Okay, white ball.
Randy, aabot ka pa. Doon ka. Kulang pa sila.
Oy, hindi ko na ano yan.
Let's block. Let's block.
Jay, comedy timeout.
Ulit, white ball.
Ano nangyari?
Yung time, yung break.
Hindi mo na-set? Hindi ma-skip? Paano yan?
20 seconds. Wait lang, 20 seconds.
Dali lang yan. Gusto na rin
Hinihintay lang talaga namin si Randy.
Bagal ni Randy.
Bagal kasi ni Randy eh.
Okay, ice ba kayo dyan?
Are you having fun?
Alright, let's start. All good, thank you. Here comes the fresh 5 of both teams. Adrio for 3. Rebound ni Julius. Okay, Julius. Nakuha ni Joar ang bola. 14 seconds shot clock. Joar, di pa rin pumapasok. Rob got the rebound. Oops.
Bert! Kapalit. Paano saglit?
Okay na lang.
Toilet break lang.
Joar. Rob, brother. I get Rael for 3 points. Let's see. Here comes White. Okay, Rob, diniretso na. Rael to Joar. Tingnan natin. Pumik. Okay, 2 points. Joar. 25-13 in favor of Potato Corner. 13-second shot clock. Down to 10. Rael. Adrio. Ito na. Get the foul, Adrio. Okay, first attempt, good. 25-14.
First attempt, good, yeah? Let's go, break. Ganun ba?
Score 25-15. Okay, 14-second shot clock.
Kaya na! Uy, good pass! Balik mo!
Wala. Line violation. 7 minutes, 58 seconds. Patrick, naipit sa ilalim. Here comes si Adrio. Nakuha niya ulit ang bola. Fake. Okay, there's a foul. Number 8 ng Black. Ilan ang foul nun? First personal foul. 3 points. Patrick.
Second team foul ba? Laurel.
Okay, Patrick to Jonan. Ay, sayang.
Balik mo! Nice!
Boy, next dead ball, boy. Stop.
Rob! Pass na bulo! Libre nga kaliwa mo!
Naging ganito yung score, pre.
Third. 28. 15 dito.
Number 4.
Ba't ganyan? Ba't nagta-time out?
Okay.
Next one.
Miss.
Okay na.
7 minutes, 31.
28-15 pa rin.
Okay, sablay yung dalawa.
Ba't maaga yung oras ni Gilbert? 5:30 na lang dito.
7 minutes, 28. Twins for 2. Sayang. Okay, nakuha ulit ng Black. Here comes Julius.
Harap, tatay, harap! Tunan, harap, tunan! Harap, tunan! Nawawala ka sa pinsa!
7-9.
Richard, steal ni Jonan.
Ayusin mo!
Jonan, binalik kay Patrick. Ay, wala pa rin. Nakuha ng Black. Here comes Black.
Ayusin mo, Jonan!
Jonan again. Yes, this time connects. 30-15. Ay, yung score natin, lamang ng kalahati. Malaki ang kalamangan ng Potato Corner. 17-second shot clock. Jor. Back to Rael. 10-second shot clock. Okay, Patrick Lauron to Adrio. Again, white ball. 3 seconds violation. Okay, time natin 5 minutes 50 seconds. Richard, sa gitna, Faith. Okay, Jonan, pass break to Jonan. Ganda ng layup. Score 32-15. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol ang Faith over Fear.
Change. Rep, change. Change 5.
Okay, ready, white ball. "15 seconds, shot clock. RJ for 3. Pumalog. Wala, na-rebound ni Gilbert. Here comes Gilbert.
Stop
There's the
time.
foul. Mr. Tanley Lauron. That's his first personal foul.
Saan na si Jay? Si ano? Yun sa referee. Isa referee. Wala pa. Ryan. Tawagan mo nga.
Yep.
Anda lang na na.
Bihira yan ha. Pumasok.
Bihirang-bihira yun.
Magpapalit yan sa weekend.
Nagdinalawa mo yan, magpapalit yun ka. Putya!
Pambihira yan. Maganda tulog yan mamaya. Okay, 4 minutes, 40 seconds. Here comes Johnny, pass to RJ. Maraming nag-aabang ng bola sa gitna. Noel to Tandy. 8-second shot clock. RJ. Shot clock. No, reset to 14.
Nice!
34-19. Okay, na-rebound ni Rob ang bola. Pinasa kay RJ sa ilalim. Rob, nag-iisa sa ilalim. Apat ang bumabantay kay Rob. Randy for 2. Tandy, nag-iisa sa ilalim. Sayang. Okay. RJ.
Labas!
What a steal by Julius. Nice steal there. 25 foul. Is it the Randy? Okay.
Bagong dating. David. Randy David.
Harap yan!
June, wala. Sayang. 2 minutes, 42 seconds. Okay, Rob, 2 points. Score natin, 36-19. 15-second shot clock.
Nandiyan na si Ryan.
Julius for 3. This time, pumasok.
14 points. 22-36.
Okay, 22-36. 2 minutes and 5 seconds. Stanley to Johnny. Nakita si Rob sa ilalim. Okay, 10-second shot clock. Stanley for 2. Here comes Rob. Oh! Lakas rumibaw ni Julius. Okay, 1 minute 30 seconds. Okay, June Felipe sa gitna. Wala. Oh, na-rebound niya rin ang bola.
12 points lang. 12 points.
12 points na lang, hinahabol. That's come RJ for 2. Time na the last 1 minute. Ay, mga kids. Oh. There's a foul. 20, white. Johnny Dador. 26.
White, no? Dito corner. Second team foul na yan, no?
Boy, yung last 2 minutes, pag nakadalawang fouls sa last 2 minutes, automatic penalty. Ayan.
Short 26.
50 seconds. 12 seconds, okay. 40-26.
Penalty yan.
Okay, penalty rep.
Pag last 2 minutes, nakadalawa silang foul. Pero pag hindi pa sa buong game, may buong part. Pero pag last 2 minutes,
Yes, rep. Penalty.
Ilang minutes siya?
Oras natin,
34
32 seconds.
32.
Seconds na.
No, second. Pumasok?
No. Again, 32 seconds.
Third na ba yan? Second.
Boy, andyan na si
Second.
ref.
Ayan, kompleto na.
Saan yung quarter na yun?
Second pa.
Okay, 30 seconds.
Third na.
Okay, nice steal. 22 seconds. Here comes the black. Julius sa ilalim. Wala. 11 seconds. Okay, 2 points. 5 seconds. Okay, that's the end of our second quarter.
Okay lang, pre. Okay. Next week, lagi 6:30 tayo, pre.
Sorry.
Hindi kasi namin alam kung ikaw or yung isa.
Si Benji. Next week, next 3 weeks. Siya na.
Bola na ng ano.
Oh, teka lang.
Black. Pre, yung in-time out nyo na first quarter hindi na-carry out. Dalawa na lang yung time out nyo yan. Third.
Pwede na magpa, di ba rin pwede magpalit pero support naman, no?
I scored out at 26-42 in favor of Potato Corner.
Third na. Black na. Pa-black.
Black ball.
Okay, black ball change court na tayo.
Right. Dali lang.
No, sit ball lang, lamang masyado.
Okay, paalala lang sa may mga kids who's running around the corner.
Hey,
Salubong isa.
Nabitawan ni Kuya Jun ng bola. Here comes RJ. Jason sa base. Baseline, wala. Rebound niya pa rin. Nakuha ni Jonan. Jar, 4-3. Sayang. Na-rebound ni Rael.
Diretso na! Diretso na!
44-26.
John, taas lang, John. John, taas lang, taas.
Ganadong
Taas,
ganado
John,
yung talunan.
15 seconds shot clock. June sa gitna. Wala. Okay.
Ayun na. Dalawa, John.
Patrick to Jonan.
Live yan, Adol.
Upload lang natin. Wala
Ay,
internet
Rael
dito,
to
wala
Jar.
Wala ka parang yung isa, no?
Jar sa ilalim. Yes, 2 points. Ang galing naman nun.
Set to, set to.
Highlights.
28-46. 14 seconds shot clock. Sayang. 46-28.
Shot clock agad. Kaya papasok na lang dito boy, shot clock na.
30-46.
Boy,
Ha?
saan yung bola, shot clock na agad.
Oh. Umpisa mo na siya nun.
Kahit hindi pa na ipag.
Oh.
14 seconds shot clock. Jonan, 4-3. Sayang.
Basta nag-change possession na.
Nice steal ng Black. Okay, there's a foul.
Unless dead ball.
Number 14, holding foul.
Ilang personal team foul na yan.
And first team foul ng Potato Corner.
Mahabol na.
Okay, humahabol ng Faith over Fear.
Time out na po, Stanley, ha?
46-32.
Pwede bang time out dito?
Oh, pwede ka mag-time out.
Time out kami isa.
Time out. Next possession, boy.
Saan tayo?
Stop time naman yan, Boss Danley.
Okay, nice steal. Vince steal the ball.
Uli! Set! Ay, nauna!
Bigay!
Up.
Time out.
Time out, ref.
Time out. Oh, pwede mag-time. Time out lang. Time out.
It's team timeout by Potato Corner.
Time out lang. Time out.
Time out lang.
Time out lang. Time out. Ha? Sige naman, stop time yun. Hindi yun nagagana. Stop time yun.
Okay, stop time tayo sa lahat ng timeouts natin, ha? So don't worry, makakahabol pa rin kayo. 32-46, umiinit na yung laban. Nakakakuha na ng momentum ang Faith over Fear.
Walang bawas sa oras ko.
Ilang minutes pa yan?
Oras natin, 6 minutes, 37 seconds.
5 mag-i-stop.
Hindi, yung 5. Kung pag ma-close na deadlock, wala tayong full stop. Pag na last possession na close to 5 minutes, papastop namin. Pero wala tayong full stoppage.
Okay, nice steal. Jonan, sa ilalim.
Bumawi.
Napasobra. Okay, good ball.
Jay, nasa iyo, Jay! Jay!
15 seconds shot clock. Here comes Vince. Umatake sa gitna.
Bato!
Jonan. Okay, wala. 5 minutes, 54 seconds. Here comes Black. Jar. Pasa kay Castrillo. To Richard. Jump. Sayang. Okay, Patrick. To Jonan. Layup. Ay, sablay.
Sablay, baba!
5 minutes, 30 seconds. June Felipe. There's a whistle.
Next dead ball sub tayo, rep.
Foul, White.
Next.
99.
Next dead ball, next dead ball.
Next level, 16 seconds.
Next dead ball sub tayo, rep.
Okay, 10 seconds.
5, 4 ito oras. Yan. Bad ball yan.
Salubungin mo yan, salubungin mo yan.
Next dead ball pag sub tayo.
9 seconds, shot clock. Number 7, White.
Change tayo, change.
Okay, pwede na tayo mag-sub, rep.
Sub, sub.
Sige.
Malas.
14 lang, no?
Okay, first attempt, yep. 33-46.
May sasab ba kay Vince? Wala? Okay, continue.
Okay, continue lang.
Wala na, nahabad ako. Habangan ako. Sa ano, doon sa bigay mo nilang
Okay, second attempt. Ganda ng shoot.
12 points na lang.
Okay, 12-point leads. Patrick for 3. Yes! Swak na swak.
Boy, ayun yung gusto sumali sa casual, boy.
May nakita pa nga ako isa kanina.
Okay, Julius, answer the 3.
Siya yung nag-message doon sa group chat, ay sa page. Kinausap din ako niya last week.
Okay, 18 seconds shot clock. This time it's Koy. Sayang. Rob got the ball pero na-steal. Steal by Julius. Here comes back. Edwin. Let's see. Use the board.
10 na lang.
For 2.
10 points na lang, 10 points.
10 points na lang. Hinahabol ng faith over fear. There's a strong faith na mahahabol nila yan. 12 seconds shot clock. 10. Again, here comes the White. Johnny the door. Okay, Vince. Natira sa ilalim.
Walo na lang.
41, 49. Second shot clock. Rob sa gitna. Okay, Tandy. 2 points. 2 minutes 55. Score natin 51-41. Julius for 3. Wow. Julius, 3 points. 2 minutes 41 seconds.
Sige, mag-time out. Sayang time out niyo.
Rob in the middle. Okay, 44-53.
Rep, pwede daw mag-time out niyan. Ay, hindi na daw. Next quarter na daw.
Gilbert fake. Sa gitna. Okay, 2 minutes, 5 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock, 44-53. Here comes White. Johnny. Nakita sa gitna si Rob. Buong-buo ang loob ni Noel. Noel, 2 points. Okay, 11 points lead. Here comes Solisa. Patrick all the way. Okay. The door, 2 points. Johnny. Mr. Dads. 14-second shot clock. Here comes Edwin. Back to Julius. Let's see. 3 points. Tumama sa ring. Okay, reset. 10-second shot clock. Okay, another angle. Okay, wow. Okay, 10 points leads, 55 seconds left. Nice steal. Here comes the black team. 20-second shot clock. Sayang attempt ni Gilbert. 36 seconds. Crossover move by Patrick to Tandy. Stanley for 3. Wala. Okay, 23 seconds left. Okay, 2 against 1. Nice steal foul. 15 seconds left. The door. Okay, 10 seconds.
8,
7.
5, 4, 3, 2. Ten points lang. Top time yan.
Fourth quarter. Pagod na pagod.
Yung time out,
Dalawa, gagamit ang time out.
top time ka naman. Pwede tayo mag-time out. Walang disadvantage. Wala tayong disadvantage. Pwede tayo mag-time out. Kaya naman sa ito rin time. Yung disadvantage yung
Free throw lang yung timeout. Stop time.
Okay, white ball.
Stop time tayo, boss Tamley ng fourth quarter. Stop time.
Okay, stop time na tayo all the way. Any foul, free throw, and timeout. Mahaba pa yan. 10-point leads lang.
Talagang interesado yun, boss.
Okay, we'll see kung makakahabol na ang faith over fear. 12 seconds. Okay, there's a foul.
Stop time, stop time.
Black number 4. First team foul. And that's his third personal foul by Julius.
Stop time na yan, stop time.
Okay, first attempt ni Jason. Good.
Pasok.
Pero dalawa no time out.
Yeah.
Wala na, ginamit niya na isa eh. Isa na lang.
Okay, same ball. 40-second shot clock.
May resume mo ba yun?
Yeah. Ay, nice steal ang bola ni Jor.
Walang bumaba
Julius nag-iisa sa ilalim.
9 points na lang.
9 points na lang ang natitira. This is a very exciting match. Ayan na naman. Julius again.
Nine lang, 9.
Okay, 9-point leads. Jason to RJ. RJ. Munti ka na ma-steal ni Rael. Here comes Jonan. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Nakita si Adrio. Adrio cut sa gitna. Wala. Pero nakuha niya pa rin ang... Okay, 3 seconds and shot clock violation.
So 27 lahat.
Yeah, stop time.
Okay, depensa. Huwag sige patira. Pre.
Di ba third quarter yung time out kami? Fourth na yan.
Hindi, dalawa lang sa second half.
Jar! Wala pa akong nakikitang kumokonek kay Jar
Isa
ng
sa
3
first half,
points.
dalawa sa second half. Bale, tatlo. Kaso hindi carry over yung sa first half.
Okay, 8 minutes, 15 seconds. 17, shot clock. Jason for 3. There comes Adrio. Julius fake. Vince, 2 points.
Next sub, rep. Boy, next sub.
7 point leads na lang.
Aba, son.
Pwede na mag-sub anytime, ha?
Patrick for 2. Wala. Natapik ni Jason. Jonan for 3. Yes, this time. Jonan, 3 points. Balik sa 10 points ang Kalamangan.
Harap, ino.
Jude cut in the middle. Wala. Jonan got a rebound. There's a foul.
Sub, sub.
27.
Sub.
Black. First personal and second team
Ano,
foul.
ano, sub? Sub.
Pasok lang yung sub. All good. Okay, 7 minutes, 8 seconds. Second shot clock. RJ for 3. An air ball.
Babi. Ulit si Andres, lamang 1.
Okay, Julius for 3. Wala. Okay, na-rebound ng White. Jonan all the way. Pinasa kay RJ. Okay, it's White ball.
Sub rep.
Next sub.
6 minutes, 23 seconds. Against White. Okay, Jonan to downtown. For 3.
Harap.
Jude Felipe. Fake.
Sub.
Okay, there's a foul.
Sub tayo.
Number 7.
Jay. Sub.
7.
Wala pa yata, pre. Pwede na mag-sub, pre. Sub.
Number 7 sa yan.
No.
Second personal. Second team foul na yun.
Okay, that's the second team foul ng Potato Corner.
kanina.
Ano score mo,
Tama
pre?
yun, no? 5-4. 5-4-6-1.
64.
Mali, Norris. 64-51. 13 kayo lamang.
Pasok pa yun, pasok.
May pumasok, pre? Isa. Kuya Jun. Felipe.
65-51.
52, boy. 66-52.
Baba pre.
67, boy.
Hindi, pumasok si Kuya Jun eh. Sa kanila yung 1 point. 66-54. Isa lang yung pumasok na free throw kanina eh.
5 minutes, 36 seconds. Score natin 66-54. Five minutes, 20 seconds.
Lagi mas nador ko sa babaw. Ikaw sa baba. Sige.
Okay, Rael for 3. Na-rebound ng White. Patrick, all the way. 68-54. Okay, mahaba pa yan. Stop time tayo. Julius, 4-3. Sayang.
Bigay!
Here comes Rob.
Hey!
Sub, sub. Rep, sub tayo, sub.
Counted, rep.
Baba!
Sub,
Wala.
sub. Tayo, sub.
Number 6.
Sub.
Vince, may timeout kayo.
Bay, what's harap, bay? What's harap, bay? What's
Okay,
harap, bay?
14-second shot clock. Gilbert for 2. Okay. Na-rebound niya ulit. Wala ulit. $27 foul. That's 14 fouls. I know, 13 fouls. Sorry. Yeah.
Set the ball. Ikot.
Johnny na libre. Ah. Richard na libre sa ilalim.
Baba.
Lista mo na.
Ay, sayang. Okay, 70-54. Here comes the white team. And one.
Stop time. Okay, yung kaba ni Pialong. Sulit siya.
Okay, 14 fouls ng Faith over Fear. Bonus shot para kay Patrick Lauron.
Makabahin ni kasi itong laro.
Side.
Great shoot. Gilbert for 2. Ang lakas ng rebound. Yes.
Baba.
Again, last 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Ganti na ng shot.
72-57. 14 seconds shot clock. 10. Ah, nice steal. Noel Joaquin.
Stop time.
21. Ilan ang foul nila? Okay. Penalty na. Pumasok na sa penalty.
Next up, ref. Next up.
Rep, sub.
Sub rep.
Pagtira. Mamaya na, Kois.
Depensa si Baba.
Sub.
Sub.
Rebound.
Okay, last 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Richard Guzman for 3. Sayang. Here comes baby TJ.
Labas.
Okay, reset, Jason. $74-57. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Okay, nice down the white. Baby TJ all the way. Lumaki na ulit ang kalamangan ng Potato Corner and resells. Ang galing. Richard for 2 points.
Kuya, sabi.
Okay, so 15 seconds shot clock. $78-59. Okay, 1 minute left. Julius to Richard de Guzman, 2 points. Okay, 37 seconds left. Okay, next game. Mag-ready na kayo, both teams.
The ligaments, the clinic.
Okay, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, last 12 seconds. Nice steal pa ni Noel.
Oh, chill lang. Ay, matapos na lang eh.
Okay, that's the end of our first game. What an exciting match. Sayang, munti ka na makahabol ng faith over fear. Pero hindi nagpa, sa depensa.